Hello everyone, I am Monica Kirodiwal, Assistant Professor of BIIT. Welcome you all on behalf of GuruKPA.com. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on logic gates. Basically, what is logic gate? Logic gate is basic building block of any digital circuit which works on binary digits 0 and 1. There are basically three types of logic gates are there. Basic gate, exclusive gate, and the third one is universal gate. Basic gate, there are three types of gates are there: AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. This is the symbol of the basic AND gate symbol, and this is the equation of the AND gate. When we take two variable as input, then output is A dot B. When we take when all the inputs are 0, then output is 0, but when all the inputs are high, then output is high. This is basically AND gate. And in OR gate, when this is the symbol of the OR gate, and this is equation for the OR gate equation, A plus B. When all the inputs are 0, then output is 0, but when which one is input is 1, then output is always 1. This next one is the NOT gate, which is complementary gate. When input is 0, then output is 1. When input is 1, then output is 0. Third one, the second logic gate is exclusive gate, which is two types of. There are two types of logic gates: XOR and XNOR. This is the equation. This is the symbol of the XOR gate, and this is the equation of the XOR gate equation. When this is the truth table, when both the inputs are 0, then output is 0. But when one input is 1, or we can say one input is higher, then output is always high, and both the inputs are 1, then output is always 0. So we can say when both the inputs are similar, then output is always 0, but when one of the input is dissimilar, then output is always 1. That next gate is XNOR gate, which is this is symbol of the XNOR gate, and this is the equation of the XNOR gate. When both the inputs are low, then output is 1, but when one of the input is dissimilar, then output is always 0. So we can say that when both the inputs are low or high, then output is always 1, but one of the input is dissimilar, then output is always 0. The next is the universal gate. This is called universal. Why this is called universal? Because we can realize all other gates, or we can say we can realize all Boolean function with the logic gates using these gates. These are two types of universal gate: NAND gate, and second one is NOR gate. This is the digital symbol of NAND gate, which is, and the equation of NAND gate is A dot B bar. Similarly, this is the digital symbol of NOR gate, and the equation of this gate is A plus B bar. So this is the truth table of the NAND gate. When both the inputs are high, then output is, both the inputs are low, then output is always high, but when both the inputs are high, then output is low. Similarly, in NOR gate, when both the inputs are low, then output is always high, but when one of the input is high, then output is always low. This is all about the basic logic gates. Thank you for watching and listening this video. For more information, you can log on www.gurukpa.com.